Today we're going to be discussing 3 reasons that your doe would be having her babies in a week, and one additional tip that you'll know she will be having them in 1 to 2 days before she will have them. So, in the last few days, I've been noticing that my doe is eating more food. And that is a thing that she needs to produce her milk, is a lot of food. So that's why she's eating it. And her water bottle over here, in 2 days, she'll drain the whole thing. And she normally does not do that when she isn't pregnant. So I know that her pregnancy is getting very near. And I put the nest box in 2 days ago, and there's already a very, very good nest in it. And if you want to see about how to put your nest box in, go up in this corner and you'll see a tab to open for that video. So those are the signs you'll see. And then when she pulls out her belly hair, that means they're gonna be within 2 to 1 days of having them. And a doe typically has her babies at night, so I would expect to see a hair that morning. There will definitely be hair, and then maybe a little bit later. And another thing you might notice is your doe will get hot if it's like from 60 to 90 degrees. She'll be really hot and she'll just lay there. And what she'll be doing is she'll be so uncomfortable, and that you can tell that she has something inside of her. So that is 3 reasons that you know your doe will be having babies in a week. 7 to 1 day. So like this video and subscribe to my channel Around the Homestead so you can see more rabbit, chicken, and homestead videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you when this doe has her babies.